Okay.
Okay, I'm excited.
Yeah, I don't have my glasses. That's why.
So what are the three main ingredients of a successful partnership?
Trust and openness.
For me, means when you can establish a long-term contact with customer. It's not just a matter to visit customer, to sell a product once, but to develop even the customer in the long term.
It should be a long-lasting relationship. We are also trying to achieve process optimizations on a long-term basis.
They feel that they can rely not only in the product, but also to make them confident about our support.
That we drive to solution-orientated to find the best solution for the customer.
We are providing full service to them, not only products, but know-how, experience, trainings with our technical teams and also sales teams in the field. So this is how we support them.
Successful partnership, I think trust.
When both sides have at least best interest of the other company in their minds.